Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The young lady I've been trying to help, she actually figured something out on her own. Said it's better or easier or faster. I don't see it. She split the Indian in half like this. And then she had her text. And she used PowerClip, which I don't like. I've used it a couple of times where it's the only thing you can do. So we go to PowerClip, place inside container, and then go right there. Now you need to go to edit and then move your Indian over and then hit finish. And then you can just put your wordage. I noticed when she had hers that there was a little separation between the two. I like it. I personally like the way I did it better with taking the rectangle out because you're losing, like maybe it's more readable like this. And I've had trouble in the past or helped people use the PowerClip a long time ago, and it printed some. But evidently, she's a printer and it worked, and it has printed stuff that is outside the PowerClip. Like this red might finish, but she's a testimonial that it did work. And if you wanted this, separate a little bit, or right up against it, that's just personal preference. But I still like mine better. Let's see if I've got one still left. Maybe it's a little harder to read. But in the last video I got to ungroup it and then get this is our intersect. Then just put an outline around it and then put it back. And it's a little bit easier to read. And there's several ways to make the outline a little bit thicker, but I don't know. It's personal preference. She's printed a lot of shirts like this, so she knows what she's doing. This is harder. This is easier to read. But anyway, I hope that helped. And I guarantee you, if you're bored with these, this is the last one, I promise you, on this subject.